Hello there, my 3D printing friends. Today, this video is slightly different. We're going to do a live filament change. It's just black to more black, but this one I don't want the print to pause. I'm not a big fan of that because it seems to get a little bit of a shift in the layers every time I do it on this printer. So I am going to feed it in directly behind this other piece as it feeds through. Just waiting for it to get down. You can see the last bit of filament there. This print shouldn't be too bad to do this, but some prints, if it's going super fast, it can be a right pain in the butt just trying to match what it's doing. So in a second, when it gets pretty low, I'll rest my finger up on the top there just so I can match my arm with the movements, and then hopefully I can feed it down with it properly. Currently printing the mouth and eyes for some Gengar Pokemon ready to be painted. The last sort of dregs of filament that I had laying around. Alright, gonna sit up here and match it now. Got it resting on the top of the other piece. Applying a tiniest little bit of pressure just to help it follow in, and then I can feel when it bites it. Pretty sure the teeth have it now, but I'm still applying a little bit of pressure just to be sure. Yeah, I can feel it pulling it through my fingers a tiny little bit now. It's a bit slow, this one, because it's not exactly chewing through the filament. Alright, that's done, and now I've just got to wait for the print to finish. Thanks for checking in to see a little live changeover there.